You've probably seen this new trend popping up everywhere recently. People using ChatGPT to generate a caricature of themselves at work. And what makes it different is it isn't just based on a photo, it's based on everything that AI already knows about you. This is mine. Now, this isn't just a filter, it's not guessing. ChatGPT already knows I'm a tattooist, a filmmaker, I work with AI, I mess around with 3D printing, and I've got a thing for chameleons. So when it creates a caricature, it pulls from months of context, not just a simple prompt. That's why these feel personal. That's why this trend's gone viral. And when I saw this, I thought, everyone's stopping at the image. But what if I don't stop there? What if I could bring it into the real world? So this is what I'm doing. I used the picture, I went into Meshy. Meshy turns it into a 3D STL file. I sent that to my 3D printer. So I've taken the caricature, turned it into a 3D model, and I'm going to print it on my Bambu Labs P1P in plain white filament, because once it's printed, I'm going to paint it by hand, like a physical extension of the digital idea. AI creates it, but I'll finish it. And this is the bit I find exciting. AI isn't replacing making things. It's starting the process and then handing it back to you. Digital to physical to personal. In the next video, I'll paint this, finish it properly, and I'll show you the final result.